Today I'm going to introduce this new and latest best data recovery software to recover your deleted files from Windows. In case you accidentally delete, like mistaking formatting your disk, or your disk corruption, or disappear partition, or if you have lost like a message or lost a document, photo, image, video, email, and etc. This will work for your Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and new and latest Windows 11. And also will work on the Mac. Alright, so the software is for 4D DIG Tenorshare. So be this one right here, 4DDIG Tenorshare.com right here, official Windows data recoveries. So I'm going to download the Windows version. By the way, I wanted to give it a shout out to Nancy from their marketing team. She supplied me with the code so I could use this and show you guys the product. And you just need to double click on the lower left hand side after you download the exe file. Since I'm using a Windows 10 base, it's going to automatically download the exe files. But if you are using the Apple or the MacOS, it's going to download the DMG files. Click on yes and install. By the way, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description for the 30% coupon code, and also the link. I'm going to press start. By the way, you can recover this with your flash memory card or any of your flash drive as well. So it show you the device. Right now I only have a Windows C drive right now. And you can also check on the common location, the desktop, recycle bin, select the folder, recovery from a crash computer, photo repair, or video repair. Okay, I'm gonna go to my download folder and then delete some files, and then we'll try to recover it. So I'm gonna click on the download folder. And I'm going to delete these two files right here. Delete. So now it's gone. And you could select which folder you want. All file types, documents, photo, audio, video, others. So I'm going to just select this PDF file right here. And scan select file type. Click on it. Alright, so since I got the code, I'm going to go and click on register. And if you don't have a code, you could click on buy now. If you click on buy now, here's the price. If you have a 1 month license, it's $45.95 instead of $89.95. 1 year is $55.95. And then lifetime is probably the best deal. It is $65.95. And click on register. So you need to enter your email address and then a registration code. So I give you a registration successfully right here. once you enter the code. And I also give you a quick start guide right here. Please select the file you want to recover. I mean, there's too many files. So it has delete files, existing files, lost location. You could also pause it or stop. I'm going to stop. So I could go to my download. So yeah, it's recovery those two that I just delete, which is these two right here. And then I could recover, select the file and then recover it. So I need to select the path to save the recovery file. I'm going to insert a memory card in there while my flash drive. I'm going to click on recovery. I'm going to put on my USB drive, the flash drive. I just enter it, recover. And then now it's doing recovering. I thought I only select these two files, so So it's actually selected 2,851 files. I'm going to stop it. So here are all those files that is trying to recover just now. Let me see if I could filter it out. Okay, so right now it says select two files. So I did it wrong earlier. Now I click on recover. And click on my USB drive. You can also put whatever location. All right, so let's go ahead and view the recovered. So here are the two files that I just delete and got recovered. By the way, you gotta make sure you filter out all the files that you don't need, or it's gonna recover the whole thing once it starts scanning. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.